Good morning. I'm messing with a lot of stuff right now. Starting to use Discord as a trading journal. See if that works. Pretty exciting stuff. So, but there's certain things I still have to play with, like trading, daily trading alignment checklist. I had to make it smaller just because I have to get nitro if I want to make longer pages. So I really don't want to do that. So let's start with this internal state. How am I feeling? Confident. I also feel tired. Why am I feeling this way? A little bit of sleep, 6-hour mark, but barely. Identity, integrity. What is my sacred commitment as a trader? Follow my contract. What am I choosing to do during the session? Being a professional trader. What is my true purpose of trading? Providing some traceable liquidity to markets. What is my current mission in trading? To rewire my brain, stay calm, and grow as a trader. What is my intention for today's session? Trade with discipline over the course of 20 trades. Market relationship. What do I want for the market today? Nothing. What is my goal as a trader? Provide extended trades and bring liquidity to markets. With one good trade. How many accounts am I trading? 2 today. So the 2 is take profit and then tradeify. What is the max loss I'm willing to accept? 300. Basically, this is going to be a series of 20 trades to rewire my brain as it stands right now, just because of the amount of stuff that's been going on in the background in my life and personal. Kind of need to just get back to that point because I've lost that ability, which is so stupid. I'm just scared, and that's okay, right? Like, it's just being human, right? Is there any news, economic events? None. But I do think Powell's going to speak. I want to double check that one real quick. I think Powell's going to speak around 1:30. No, it's not actually true. My bad. That's tomorrow. So we have today and then tomorrow. Okay. Let's go back to the channel. Okay, so now we're gonna go. I'm using Discord, right, for journaling trades. So let's see. Daily journal entry. So, are we above or below pre-market midpoint? Today we are above the pre-market midpoint. So we're above this one. Are we below yesterday's midpoint? We're still below this one. Mood map. Yesterday was range day 2, so another inside day. I'm expecting a downtrend day 1, but actually no, hang on, let me edit this real quick in real time. Expecting an uptrend day 1, and I'll get to it in a second. Why? What is the EMA chart saying? Hold of 200, 500, but we're still below the 50 EMA. Market is, so are we rejecting or reclaiming these zones? Market is trying to reclaim these zones. There's no trade between midpoints, and we need to see conviction in order to take a long. So we're gonna open in between these midpoints. It's kind of where we're looking at. And my bias is long today only, unless we break below this midpoint and then we break below the EMAs. There's no reason to short today. So let's go to trade ideas. I'm going to post this right now. Trade idea 1, long above midpoints, balance of EMA clouds. Size is going to be 2, risk is around 18 to 30 points. Just because the clouds are probably going to expand. This is why I only have 2 contracts for MNQ. So my entry will be a retest of clouds, going long, stop will be bottom of the cloud. Take profit 1 is 19,034, which would be right here around this area, and then take profit 2 is 1907, and then take profit 3 is 19.6. Trade idea 2 if we somehow break below and have a down day, but only if we close it below midpoints and below cloud. Size is 2, total risk is 1830 points. Entry is a retest of clouds below, stop is at cloud, same thing. Take profit 18,806. and then take profit 2 is 1860.70, 1860.70, and then take profit 3 is 18.556. Man, MNQ has so many numbers. So yeah, I'm gonna give this like an hour or two, and if none of my ideas play out, then I'm gonna call it a day. So we're basically just gonna work on that. Market's just doing what market wants to do. VIX is still high, and we still want to be sure that we are good to go. So, and be safe. So, y'all have a great session, and I'll talk to you guys after.